Where have you been? Your father has been asking for you.
Hey, Osei. Why haven't you brought the foodstuffs from the farm? When I talk to you, you never listen. Unlike your brother Beko, you better change your character. Come on, go and get a basket and go to the farm immediately. Get the basket. Yeah, Shenipa.
Why are you always picking on Osei? What about Beku? Where is he?
I gave Beku his work, and he has finished. Couldn't Osei have done the same?
So Beku should be wrestling. Whilst Osei does all the work in this house.
That is not it. You know Osei has become lazy. He doesn't do what I tell him. And you support him for that?
For some time now, you've been showing more affection to Beku. If you don't change your attitude, our sons will begin to hate each other. Osei, you move.
Osei, let's go. Please, if you want to follow her, go. Leave me out of it.
She's going to the river to take her bath. Don't you want to see her naked today?
Osei.
Osei, out with it. What is worrying you?
I don't like the way my father is always shouting on me. He doesn't shout on Beku like that.
Are you now seeing for yourself? I have always told you Openeje loves Beku more than you. You better be smart.
How do I get my father to also appreciate me?
Let's go. She'll be battling by now.
Beku,
Papa,
I am telling you this because I will make you my heir. You are the eldest and the most responsible of my children. So, you deserve most of my property. I'll give the whole farm to you.
thank you very much, Papa. I hear, but what will you give to Osei and Mommy?
I will make other arrangements for them. Beku,
Papa.
Keep whatever I have told you to heart. Don't tell anyone. Not even your mother. You may go to bed.
Thank you very much, Papa, and good night.
Good night.
dear, and no buy papa. Timmy, some would be brave, Beffy.
I was happy with the air, Juma Pile.
Mother, pa, and so. Me can. Back home. Me who's a body a BBC home could tram away.
Away.
Body form ho.
Mammy could tram way.
Dabi a mood. Back home, patch out of travel away.
Okay, ma'am.
Or say, I want you to listen to me very carefully. Berkun is your half-brother. His mother died at his birth. Last night, I overheard your father say that he will give more than half of his properties to him.
Why?
I can't tell, but you know Berkun is his favorite.
Mommy, what do I do now?
Who dear kwafum bra? Oba ebeka ho asem. Why? Kobra.
You, Kwaba.
Aya adwuma yi na he ohun si ye why?
Yo.
AJ.
Hey.
Hi.
Yeah, Nia.
That is say.
What do man come adom? Na mo go he.
Ya kwa kwatena anti adwa ho kakra.
Hey. Onu kura me hu na cho.
Sa.
O se be pemre pa na me kosra no.
Na osere ni be ku we.
O mu ni abakofo. O mba meka chom se mu ba.
Ka hu si yo.
Yo.
Ni edi nyame ja.
Yo. Odo man kuma ni mo.
Osei, have you asked your father why he's always shouting on you?
My mother tells me Berkun is my half-brother.
Maybe that is why your father loves him more.
What makes me sad is that my father has told him he will inherit more than half his property.
Kai! What is the meaning of that?
Huh? It means I get virtually nothing.
No. Osei, we have to do something.
Like what?
Osei, we have to finish him. Let's go. Osei, let's go.
Mommy, my home. Osei, has Brenya been here?
Are you going hunting?
Yes, he was supposed to be coming for me.
Let me go with you. I have some trash to inspect.
But you are doing something.
Oh, I can finish later.
All right, let's go. Jack, and then kusi ni nyina. Adai. Jack, ne dia ba yiro. Kusi. Oh, wait. Kuno. Wasa. Kuno. Kuno. Wasa. Kuno. Kusi. Wasa. Kusi. What? So what happened to Amana Kakra say what can you say? Ozai, please help me. My leg is broken. Oh. Ozai, please help me. Ozai, please. My leg is broken. Asem, please. Please help me. Asem, please help me. Asem, please. Oh, please. Oh, don't go. Oh, please. Asem, please don't go. Oh, please.
Yeah, mommy,
oh, don't leave me to die. Please help me. Oh, don't go. Asem, please. Openi, where am I? Aha, one. Ohumbato, Mokotwa, Oshabreso. My destiny? Openi, what destiny? Obako akosha Oshabrema. Osei!
Get him some water. Osei! What is it? Osei! Osei! What is it? What is the matter? Osei! What is it?
My God is dead.
What are you saying, Osei? What are you saying?
It's true. We went hunting in the forest, and a wild animal attacked us.
My son! My son! Beko! 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 Beko!
Who are you? Eh? Where am I? Oh God.
Gentlemen, how did you get here?
Old man, it's a long story. Oh, it's a long story. Who are you?
Let's go. You don't want. Let's go. Let's go. Try.
Who are you?
Bedu, I have just told you that my father has become so sad at Berku's death that I fear he would commit suicide. And all you can think of is girls.
Osei, if your father dies, you will inherit him. Why should you be bothered?
You think so? He has not called me and said anything. But he thinks because Berku's body was never found, he may still be alive.
Bekon's body, I'm sure, was dragged away by a wild animal. My friend, I think you don't know what you want. Make up your mind. That is why we eliminated Bekon. You took my attention away. Fool.
Bedu, I failed to understand you. Here you are, the chief's son. You can get everything you want, and you pretend as if you are being stabbed.
Shut up.
Bedu, not to say again. She has made it plain to you that she does not love you.
Did she tell you that?
But from all indications...
If you don't shut up, I will break your neck. If you want to remain my friend, don't ever talk such nonsense. Follow me. Osa, how are you?
I'm fine by the grace of the mountain.
Osa, can I help you?
Can I help you?
I can do it alone. Thank you.
Oh.
Leave me alone.
I love you.
You must not touch me when I've not been initiated. Surely as a prince you should know that.
What are you laughing at?
Bedu, why are you making a fool of yourself? Huh?
This girl will surely pay for this.
Usa, how are you? Hey, I wonder what you will do after your initiation. Daddy, why are you wet? Hey. Oh. Bedu, stop it. Bedu. Oh, Bedu, stop it. Bedu. Oh. Bedu, stop.
What is making you cry, my daughter? This is not like you. What is it?
But you touched my breast.
Who is that?
Nana Pio's son.
Impossible.
He did, Papa. He touched my breast.
But please, Bedu knows that no man touches a girl in this village, especially when she has not been initiated. Eh? All right, you go inside. Eh? I will wait for your mother to come and then decide what to do. Go inside.
Old man. You've not spoken to me for the past 3 weeks. I want to go home to my village and family. Who are you? Who are you? Papa, I know nothing about what Nana Hima is saying.
Nana Hima, Katanka and his family just want to disgrace my son for nothing. For nothing.
Nana, this is surprising. I know Katanka and his family to be very honorable. How could they fabricate such a story?
Well, but Bedu says he's innocent. He is innocent. Look, I will deal drastically with Katanka and his family.
I'm also surprised. That man and his family hate me. This is not the first time. I have never spoken to Osar before.
Bedu has every right to choose any woman he wants to marry in this village. How would he go about chasing uninitiated girls? Why? This is totally false. Nanaima, this is false. Bedu,
Papa.
Tell Ochami to summon Kantanga before me.
Yes, Papa.
Kantanga,
Nana.
I want you to explain to me why you and your family are going about peddling lies about my son.
Nana, my daughter will never lie to me.
So who is lying? Is it my son or your daughter? Look, I don't want to hear a word from you nor any member of your family on this issue again. Do you understand?
Nana, my daughter has a witness.
And so what? And so what? I say the case is closed, finished. How can you accuse him without facts? Look, I'm going to sanction your family. You will appear before the court at the next sitting. You.
Nana, I know my daughter will never lie to me.
Kantanga, are you challenging my authority?
Please, Nana, don't sanction my family at your court.
Go. Go. Don't let me hear a word on this again.